We all love these moments. An active day in fresh open air. Breathing deeply is balm for the body and soul. Dry, dusty rooms, however, afflict our health seriously, especially during winter. Our children are the ones suffering most. The consequences: sneezing and coughing, affected vocal cords, reddened eyes, dry skin. With our help, you can change that. Put an end to the results of dry air by regular humidification, thus improving the air of a room and your well-being remarkably. The powerful ultrasonic humidifier system transforms water into fine mist and releases it into the room. Further features are: the demineralization cartridge produces mist without mineral residues, low power consumption and extremely quiet operation, the ionic silver stick as an optional accessory. This ionic silver stick inhibits microbial growth in the appliance effectively and keeps the water permanently fresh. With the swivel double jet nozzle, the U7145 achieves a humidity output of up to 400 grams per hour and is suitable for rooms of up to 60 square meter. Using the hygrostat, the desired humidity level can be set for your best comfort. The variable output control regulates the mist production. The red LED notifies at low water level. A demineralization cartridge is integrated in the transparent removable water tank. Using the cool humidification, the ideal humidity is achieved within shortest time. Other advantages: user-friendly handling due to the analog display and the compact size of the U7145, easily placed anywhere. So that you can feel at home like in fresh open air. BONECO, improving your quality of life.